Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba and this is Talanta Stadium roofing update today. Today is 29 October 2025 and this is the latest progress and update of the roofing, canopy and also the trusses installation. You can see from that point. I want to take you there close. You see what they have done so far. This stadium is being constructed by China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company. Let me take you there. You see what they have done so far. And this is what has been done on the roofing. You can see the trusses the way they are. You can see these are going to support the canopy and also prevent heavy wind and rain from interfering with the fans during match watching. You can see they have done a great job. Let's give them credit. You can see for yourself. This is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. That is going to host Afcon 2027. You can see. I want to give you a close view of these steel trusses. You see how they look like. You can see for yourself. I want to zoom. You see how they look like. These are going to support the canopy. If this is your first time coming across Talanta Stadium videos, this stadium has a seating capacity of 60,000 spectators and the total construction cost is $344.5 million US. And the construction company is China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company. You can see when I zoom the trusses how they look like. These are beautiful. They are strong enough to hold the canopy. You can see. You can observe for yourself. This is the latest progress of the roofing. I want also to show you the overview look of these steel trusses that are going to hold canopy in this stadium, and this is how they look like. At the top you can see the metals are very heavy. They are very strong to hold the canopy, so you can observe how they look like. You can see at the top how they look. This is Talanta Stadium latest progress about the roofing, canopy and steel trusses installation is going on. You can see. You can observe what China Roads and Bridge Corporation has done so far. The construction of this stadium started back in 2024 and was expected to be completed in 2025, but due to changes it's going to be completed in 2026, as this stadium is going to host Afcon 2027 Africa Cup of Nations. Kenya is one of the countries that are going to host Afcon 2027. You can see the roofing for yourself. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company credit. They have done a great job as we talk now. Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya is not only a stadium but historical phenomenon that is going to remain in the hearts and minds of Kenyans, as is one of the biggest stadiums in Kenya with a seating capacity of 60,000 spectators. You can see how they have done with the roofing. This is being constructed by a Chinese company, China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company. Also, a Chinese company is also constructing a Arusha Stadium in Tanzania. You can see. Like this video, share this video to one or two of your friends. and enjoy till the end of the video.